last class? Somebody remember? लास्ट क्लास तक कितना कर लिया था, याद है किसी को? We were doing examples. Okay, good. Your class is TD1 plus TD2. Which example we have done with the last class?
Starting
Design
with
a
A.
cafe.
Starting with AB.
Starting with AB मैंने आपको दिया था oh sorry, this is foreign national students are there in the class. Fine. So I have given the last example was starting with AB. I have given you to do that. Have you done this? Somebody have tried?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Kushant has
Yes,
done.
sir.
What about others?
Yes,
Who
sir.
Yes, sir.
else? Type in the chat box. Who has done with the last question starting with AB? Tejas has done. Who else? Vivek has done. Dhruvil. Good. Sanjay. Anybody from foreign national? Any
Yes, sir.
student from foreign national students who have done this?
Yes, sir. Right. I've done it.
Yeah. Okay. Ibrahim has done. Put the message in the chat box, Ibrahim. Everybody
I
else also.
I already sent it, sir.
Okay. The people who have done, yes, I can see your message. Yes. So the people who have done with the question, please put a message into the chat box. Done or done, sir, or something like that. Fine. For rest of the students, let me tell you. Anybody would like to ask any doubt in that? If you find any problem with this question, you can ask me now. Yeah. So let me discuss is how to go with this. We have to accept those strings which are ending on B. Okay. Starting with AB, starting with A we have discussed, and ends on B, and starting with AB. Okay. So let me first tell you the starting with AB. Okay. Have people done both these questions, starting with AB and end on B?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let me give you a quick discussion on this. So how should we think while doing this question? First, I will have to. What is the smallest string? What is the smallest such a string starting with AB? Tell me.
Symbol A. Single A.
Single A.
AB.
Is it AB itself, not single A? Single A is not something which is starting with AB. Single A is starting with just A. Where B is there? B is not there, no. So the smallest string which is starting with AB is AB itself. So first we are supposed to map A and B. So if I have A, I will accept it or reject it. Tell me this.
Reject.
If I have got only A, I will accept it or reject?
Reject.
Reject.
Temporary.
Accept it.
No, if you will accept it, in that case, you will be accepting this single A also. But are you supposed to do this?
Temporary reject.
Yes, temporary rejection. That should be there. So we will reject it, but we will reject it temporary. And for temporary rejection, which type of state is used? For rejection, which state is used?
Non-final step.
Non-final state is used for rejection. And since it is temporary, so this non-final state does not have to be a dead state. Okay, so I will be making a simple state which is non-final. So I'm supposed to make here Q1 and done with this. Okay, fine. Now from Q1, if I have got one B, okay, So if I am standing on Q1, it means what I already have in my string.
A.
A.
I already have A. Okay. Now after this A, if a B is coming, okay, if one B is coming, then what I'm supposed to do? Accept it or reject it?
Except.
Accept it.
Accepted.
This acceptance should be temporary or permanent?
Permanent.
Permanent.
Permanent. Because after this, if anything else is coming, once I've got A, B, now I can have A, B in any of the combination, I'll keep on accepting it. That means since it is permanent, so it has to be a, tell me this thing fast. If it's a permanent,
That
then it has to
Definite
be a
final.
dead state. And since it is acceptance, so it has to be a final state as well. So what I'm supposed to make? A final dead state. Final dead state. Okay. So what I'm supposed to make here? Q2, which is a
double.
final state and double circled, and it should be self looped with A comma B. Is this much clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, perfect. And the symbol which I'm supposed to place here is B. Okay. Now what I have to check, have I minimum string I have completed. Remember this automata is just right now, this automata is just for the minimum string kind of thing. Okay. But this is not complete. First I have to complete this. And for completing this, I have to check that from Q0, do I have a path with respect to, from Q0, do I have a path with respect to A? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Do I have a path with respect to B?
No.
Not yet.
No. So I have to create it. Okay. For creating this, how I will think, if I am standing on Q0, if I am standing on Q0, then what I already have in my string?
Nothing. Empty.
Nothing. It's an empty string. Now, if I'm starting with the symbol B, then I will accept it or reject it.
Rejected.
Reject.
Temporary or permanent?
Permanent.
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 Permanent, because starting of string is being disturbed. Now it can never be improved. Doesn't matter after B, whatever else you bring to the string, but it is not going to change the status of the string. And permanent rejection is shown by which type of state?
Unfinal dead state.
Non-final dead state it is supposed to be. Okay, so I will make here a non-final dead state Q3. It is supposed to be a non-final dead state. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now from Q1 I'm supposed to have both paths with respect to B and with respect to A. Now Q0 all paths are completed. A and B both are completed. Q3 is already complete because it is itself a dead state. So dead state always have all the paths. All paths are self-looped. Okay. Now what about this from Q1? Do I have a path for B? Yes or no?
Yes.
From Q1 we do have a path for B. But do we have a path for A?
No. No.
No, it is not there. Okay, so I have to make it. So if I'm standing on Q1, that means what I already have in my string?
A.
A is already there. Okay, now after this, if one more A is coming, then I'm supposed to accept it or reject it?
Reject.
Reject.
Reject. Only one or two people are saying answers. That means rest of the people are not taking interest. If you are taking interest, then ask your doubt. I have never refused to give any answer to your doubts. So I'm requesting everybody. I told you in the very first class that never ever in my class, I am not going to tell you that why you are asking any such kind of stupid doubt. I am always going to answer your doubts. Okay. So everybody please feel free to ask your doubts if you have. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to reject it. This rejection should be temporary or permanent?
Permanent. Permanent.
Permanent.
Permanent.
because starting of string cannot be improved once it is disturbed. Whatever else you will bring, that may change the end of the string, but it will not change the starting of string. And permanent rejection is shown by which type of state?
Non-final.
Non-final dead state.
Non-final dead state. Okay, so do I have a non-final dead state? Is there any state which is non-final and dead in this diagram?
Yes, sir. Q3.
Yes, it is.
Q3.
So now I do not require to make a new state, rather I can take it onto this non-final dead state. So this is supposed to be my DFA. Now all paths are complete. From Q0 we have a path for A, B. From Q1 there's a path for B, for A. From Q2 A and B both are covered. From Q3 A and B both are covered. So that's why it is complete now. Now, is there anyone who is having doubt? If everybody is clear for this, then I need a yes sir from everyone.
Yes, sir.
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 Good. What happened to foreign national students? I could not listen their voices. Fine. So let's move further. Let's move to this question. Ending on B. I have given you to try this. I hope you must have tried this. Okay. Now we are supposed to try its solution. So again, listen to me very, very carefully. The people who found some problem in doing this, they should listen to me very carefully. Okay. I told you, by listening to me, what you will develop the thoughts about the questions, right?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in previous question,
Hmm. Tell me. Previous one was starting with AB. This one. Yes.
इधर Q1 है, Q1 से कोई अलग स्टेट बन सकता है या Q3 में डायरेक्ट करना पड़ेगा?
अलग स्टेट बनाने का there is no benefit. Let me tell you what is the situation. You are comfortable with English?
Yes, yes.
Okay. The point is, whenever we make a DFA, so ideally we are supposed, not ideally, in fact practically also, we are supposed to make a minimum state DFA.
Yes.
So in a standard way, what has been considered that if some DFA can be made by 3 states, but you have created the DFA but with 4 states. So ideally it is considered to be wrong.
Okay.
Whenever you are asked to make a DFA, it should be a minimum state DFA. So since already there was one state which was behaving same, that's why there is no reason to add any more states.
Minimize
Okay.
state.
Minimize. Minimum number of states should be there. Minimum possible state should be there.
Yes, possible. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Anybody else who is having any more questions with this? Fine. So let's move on to the next question. Ending on B. So again, I'm expecting quick responses from you people. What is the string? What is the smallest string which is ending on B?
B.
Only B.
B itself. That means first of all I am supposed to map this B. It doesn't mean that only B will be mapped. Each and every string will be mapped. But first I should think about this B. Okay. So right now I am on Q0. Now I am having B. Should I accept it or reject it?
Accept. Temporary.
Accept it because it is the string which is ending on B. But this acceptance should be, first of all I should accept it, but this acceptance should be temporary or permanent.
Temporary.
Everybody is clear for
Temporary.
this? It should be temporary. Reason being because after this B, if I may get something else, then I may reject it also. If I get one A, I will reject it. What is the reason? Because now it will It will be ending on A, not on B. So this should be a temporary acceptance. Okay, so this temporary acceptance is shown by except it is temporary, that means no dead state is required. And acceptance is shown by which type of state?
Final.
Final.
Final state. So I am supposed to create one final state here. Okay, this is supposed to be one final state, but it should not be a dead state. So I have created one simple final state. Okay, now minimum string I have completed. Now what I have to complete in order to make it generalize for each and every string, I am supposed to complete all the path. So from Q0, right now we have two states. So from Q0, do I have a path for B? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do I have a path for A?
No.
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 Now I will create it. Okay, so if I am on Q0, if I'm standing here on Q0, so what I already have in my string?
Empty.
Empty string, nothing is there. What about others? Is everybody getting this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So I hope if anybody is there who finds any problem in understanding whatever I'm saying to you, then you are supposed to ask your doubts on yourselves. Okay, I don't have to repeat this statement many times, although I do repeat. This is in my practice, but ideally you should ask your doubt by yourself. You are not kids, okay, you are graduation students. So I have nothing in my string. So if there's nothing, now let us say that if one A is coming, then I should accept it or reject it.
Accept.
If you will accept it, in that case you will accept single A also. But should it be
Temporary
acceptable?
rejection.
Yes, is temporary accept, na? Because we need
Temporary
to check.
rejection.
Temporary accept, if it is temporary accepted, okay, does it means what? That this particular string should be accepted? No, probably after this whatever else will come I may reject it, but at least this string should be accepted. Yes or no?
It
If
should be
if
temporary rejection, sir.
exactly, it should be a temporary rejection. The reason is because if you are saying this, that it should be accepted temporary, that means at least this string should be accepted. But can you accept this?
We can't accept a single A.
Yes, we can't accept single A. Who was confused in this? Who said temporary acceptance?
Me.
Yeah, are you clear with this, Kushant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is not the acceptance. This is a rejection because I am not ready to accept this single A. Okay, now I have to think, this rejection is temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
Temporary. The reason? Because there is a possibility that after this A, if I will get one B, then I will accept this string. So that's what the reason it is temporary. Okay, now we have to think in a different way. How to think? Let me tell you for this thing. Right now it is A. Okay, so it is rejected temporary. But the point is, what else I need? What minimum thing I need here so that I can accept it?
B.
B. B is that minimum string which can make it to be accepted. This whole string will be accepted if I get one B. Now, out of these two states, listen to me, listen to my words very, very carefully. Out of the given states Q0 and Q0, Q0 and Q1, which state is generating B? I'm not saying which state is accepting B. Try to understand one thing. I'm not saying which state is accepting B. Rather, I'm saying which state is generating B. Tell me this.
Q0. Q0 is
Q0.
Q0.
Q0 it is. Okay. So I am supposed to leave it onto the state where I have B, from where I may have B further. I will leave it to the state from where I can have B in future. Okay. And such state is which one? Q0. So I am supposed to leave it to Q0 itself. Is that clear to everyone?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
To whom it is not clear?
Kushant,
Kushant. Okay. Ask your doubt, Kushant.
Sure.
why is like low Q0?
Fine. So let's do one thing. Let me tell you one more transition of this, of the same pattern. Okay. Next transition is also going to be of same. Fine. Even after that, if you still finding out some problems, then I will again solve your doubt. Okay. Apart from Kushant, is there anyone who is not clear with the concept?
Sure.
Rohan. Okay. Or
Sir, I have a doubt, but it's other one. Are we creating a dead state over Q0?
are we creating a
Dead
dead state
state.
over? No, not at all. For being dead state, it has to be A comma B, but it is only A.
Ach- Oh,
You remember, we have to make a self loop for each and every symbol. Then only it becomes a dead state. Otherwise, no. Dead means what? Now, how hard you try, you cannot go out of that state. But it is not the case, no. You can go out of this state. You can go to Q1. Fine. Now, suppose, now let us try to complete the path with respect to A for Q1. I will complete the path for Q1 also with respect to A and B both. Okay. Now listen to me very, very carefully once again. If I am on from Q1, I don't have any path, neither for A nor for B. So I am supposed to complete both paths. Okay. Now check it out. If I'm standing on Q1, that means what I already have in my string?
B.
B.
A
That
or B?
Yes, that's for sure. But at least B must have already come. There is a possibility that plenty of A's might have come, and after that, B must have come. All right. Or there's a possibility that only B would also be available. Right? These types of string will be available. As if now, let us consider the smallest one. Okay. B I already have. Now, if I already have B, and if I am having one A now, after this B, suppose if one A is coming, then what I'm supposed to do? Should I accept it or reject it?
Reject.
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 Temporary
What,
reject.
what is the reason? Because this particular string is not ending on B, and I'm supposed to end on B, right? But this rejection should be temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
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 This should be a temporary rejection. Okay, fine. So as if now this is rejected, but is there something else what I can bring to the string which will make this string to be accepted? What is the smallest string
B.
because of which this string can be accepted? Tell me.
B.
B, isn't it? Is it like this? Are you getting clear with this, Kushant?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What about others apart from Kushant? I've pointed out on him because he had doubt previously. But obviously, I'm asking to everybody else. Is that clear to you? Each one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means right now it is rejected. But if in future one B will come, that means this will be accepted. Is that clear? Right? So I am supposed to leave this string to the place from where I can have one B, so that if in future I will have one B, then it will be accepted, and if there is no B, then it will be rejected. Is that clear to everyone? Now, which state is generating B, tell me carefully, which state is generating a B out of these two states? Which one is generating B?
Q0.
Q0.
Q0, right? Q0 is the state which is generating B. Okay, fine. Now you are supposed to leave it onto the state which is generating B so that it can be accepted if required. Okay, so I'm supposed to drop it to Q0. So where is Q0? Here. So I will bring transition to Q0. And what was the symbol which we were looking for? We were looking for a, like, what was the symbol which we were tracking? A. A was the symbol which we were tracking. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it now clear to everyone? I need a loud yes sir from each one of you, not only 2 or 3 people.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. So I have mapped one symbol. Okay, now I'm supposed to map for another symbol which is B. Okay, so check it out. If I am standing on Q1, that means what I already have in my string?
A or B.
Wait.
B is the smallest one, possibly before this A or behind this B, behind this B, several A might have also come. But at least I'm sure for one thing that one B must be there. Okay. Now after this B, suppose if I am having one more B, after this B, if I am having one more B, then I should accept it or reject it?
Accept.
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 Accept it. This acceptance should be permanent or temporary?
Temporary.
Temporary, because there may be something which will lead this to reject. Okay, so I should leave it to the accepted state only because I am ready to accept it. And which state is accepting? B is accepting, like Q1 is accepting. So I'm supposed to leave it here only. Okay, the state which is accepting the strings, which one is the one? It is what? Q1. So I'm supposed to leave it on Q1 itself. Now, is everyone clear for this?
Yes, sir.
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 Good, very good. If anybody is having any doubt, then you can ask. See this question for 30 more seconds. Keep observing everything, what we have written. And ask me if you have any doubt. Shall we go further? If you are clear for this one?
Sir,
Hmm.
after all completing steps,
Hmm.
Q1 is final dead state. Correct?
No, how it is dead state. For a state, for being a dead state, it should be Q, D and all symbols. All symbols are A comma B. Have I written A comma B for the self loop?
Okay, sir.
There is a path from Q1 to go out. Which is the path? This way. It can come back to Q0.
Okay, sir.
Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Anybody else want to ask any more thing?
So there is no final dead state in that.
There is no dead state in this automata. Neither final nor non-final. There's no dead state. And that's what I said in the initials. That initial classes I told you, dead state is not compulsory. It depends from question to question. There may be required or it may not be required.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Anybody else want to ask any more thing? Fine. Now try this question. Everybody, please try this question on your own. Try to make it on your own. Ending on, yeah, ending with AB over sigma is equal to A comma B. Everybody, please try this question. Take 2 minutes. I'll wait for you to attempt this. Okay. Right now it is 10:34 44 seconds. So it's almost 10:35. Okay. I'll wait for you till 10:37. Everybody try this and make sure to do it with full energy. Okay. Try this question. I'm putting myself on mute. Meanwhile, these 2 minutes, if there is anyone who want to ask doubts, you can ask me questions. I'm available. Anybody who have done with this?
Yes, sir. Done.
Good. What about others apart from Hardik Chavda? Apart from Hardik Chavda, is there anybody else who have done with this? Type
Done.
a message in the chat box if you have done with this. Dhruv will have done. Hardik have done. Vivek have done. Good. Yatin has done. What about others? Ghazi Abbas has done. Sanjay has done. Very good. Very good. Manan has done. Ayush has done. Agyad has done. Jeet has done. Good. Very good. What about others? Drop a message in the chat box if you have done with the question. Hassan has done. Good. Very good. Who else? Ibrahim has done. Hasti Dodia has done. Who else? Pratik. Good. Very good. Others also. Fine. If there is anyone, Bansi has done. Very good. If there is anyone who is still having some doubts in this, then ask your questions. If there is anyone who is having doubts, please ask your questions. Fine. So since nobody has questions, I'm just giving you the solution. You can check yourself whether you have done correct or not. So what I'm supposed to do, ending on AB. So which is the smallest such a string? Tell me. AB itself, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So first I'm supposed to map AB. So I have A. When I will have A, I will reject it, and I will reject it temporary. Okay, temporary rejection. Fine. So I'm supposed to ending on a non-final state. Now after this, when I will have B, I will accept it permanently. There, not permanently. I will accept it temporary. So that's why I will have a final state over there. Okay. Now in the beginning, if I have a B, okay, then what like this is something important. Okay, listen to this. I'm on Q0. That means I have nothing. So in the beginning itself, if I have B, then what I'm supposed to have now, after this, what I'm supposed to have to accept this string, I'm supposed to have an AB. If I'll get one AB, then I will accept this string. Okay. So from which is the state who is generating AB? Q0 itself is the state which is generating AB. So I am supposed to stay at Q0. Okay. Now if I am on Q1, that means what? If I am on Q1, now I already have what? I already have one A. Now after this, what I am, obviously temporary rejection is there, but what I may have further in the string which can accept it, which is a B itself. So if I'll have one more B, then I will accept it after having this B. And which is the state which is generating one B? That is Q1 itself. So I will remain on Q1. Okay, fine. Now from Q2. So if I'm on Q2, that means I already have one AB. Now after this, if one A is coming, then what I am supposed to have further, which can make me to accept this string? Can somebody tell me?
B.
Q2 it's
One B.
B. If I'll have one B, then I will accept it. And which is the state which is producing B?
Q1.
Q1.
Q1. So I'll take it back to Q1. For which symbol? We were tracking for symbol A. Okay. Similarly, after AB, if I have one B, okay, now what I'm supposed to have to accept this string? Obviously, it's a temporary rejection, but what else I may have so that I will accept it?
AB.
AB. If I'll have one AB, then I will accept it. And what is the state which is producing AB?
Q0.
Q0. So
Q1.
I will no, Q1 is producing B. It's not compulsory for Q1 to produce AB. It may produce only B also. But which is the state which will compulsorily produce AB? So Q0 is the state which will definitely produce AB. Okay, without producing AB, it will not let the string to be accepted. Okay, so I'm supposed to come at this place for the symbol B. Clear? Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
why there is a self loop of A at Q1?
Because if I am on Q1, first of all, you have to think like this, that you have to complete all the paths with respect to Q1 for A also and for B also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So for B, I was already having paths, so no problem. Now from Q1, you are standing on Q1. That means what you already have?
A.
A. Okay. Now further, what you need if you want this string to be accepted?
B.
B. And what is the state which is generating B?
Q1.
So I'm leaving it to Q1.
Okay, sir.
One thing. Plus, what is the need? What is the practical need of this self loop? Try to understand. If there will not be a self loop, then you may accept AB, but how you will accept number of A's ending on B?
Okay, sir.
Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but this is the technique what I discovered by myself for students to get in easy way. Otherwise, students used to get confused every time. That, sir, if I have 3 A's, then how to accept? If I have 4 A's, then how to accept? If I have 9 A's, then how to accept? This is the problem. So that's why I have developed this methodology of teaching, so that you don't have to take care about all these various possibilities. You see how many possibilities are there? 1A is there, 2A is there, 3A is there. A lot of different possibilities are there. But with this technique, you don't have to think about so many number of A's. It will automatically do the things. Okay. Now, anybody who is having doubts in this question? Is there anyone in the class who is having doubts in this? If nobody is having doubts, I need a no, sir, from everyone.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. Perfect. Now, let's try a new one. Let's try a new question. It is very important to discuss a lot of number of questions, because otherwise you will not be able to make a general question, right? So that's why what I want to do, I want to give you a set of huge question, a set of so many questions, so that it's a huge probability that whatever the question will be coming in your exam, that may be from one of these questions only. Apart from that, practicing many more questions develops your thinking process while designing the automata. So even if you will be getting some new question, okay, even then it will be comfortable for you to design a new automata with this strategy. Okay, so try to understand this. How to do this? Let's try a new automata. Okay, so this time I want to design a DFA accepting all those strings which are having even length. That means number of characters should be a even number. Number of characters should be a even number over sigma is equal to a comma b. Now try to do this. I'm giving you 3 to 4 minutes for this. Right now it is 10:47. Right now it's 10:47, almost 30 seconds, right? From 10:47 to 10:50 or 51, you can try this one. Okay, everybody from you. I'm putting myself on mute, but in case if you have any doubt during these 3-4 minutes, you are free to ask me. I will reply you. I'm available on this call. Okay, make sure to attempt it with full energy. Fine, try this at 10:50 or 10:51. I will tell you the solution for this one. Till then, you people try. Meanwhile, you can ask your doubts with respect to this question if you have any. Is there anyone who have done with the question?
Yes, sir.
Who has done? Say your name.
Yes, sir. Tejas.
Tejas. Good. Very good. Who else? Hassan, have you also done with this question, or this was the message with respect to the previous question? With this question only. Okay.
I'm done,
1050.
sir.
Good, good, good. Very good. Vivek has done. Hassan has done. Tejas has done. Ayush has done. What about others? Ghazi Abbas has done. Rest of the students, what they are doing? Either solve
Yes,
it or
done,
ask
sir.
your doubt from me. Ibrahim has done. Good. Prateek has done. Kushant, I am facing problem to accept more than two numbers. I'll solve all the problems. I'll discuss this question. At that point of time, you can ask me all the doubts. Fine. Let us start doing this. Otherwise, we'll be late. And sharp 11, I have to drop the class to do something. So let's come to the solution of this question. So again, can somebody tell me what is the smallest string having even number of letters?
Double A or AB
A.
or double B.
What about null? Nothing. When you have nothing in your string, how many letters are there?
0.
Zero is even or not?
Yes.
0 modulus 2 gives you what? 0. So this is also supposed to be even. That's why even nothing should be accepted. If user is not giving any string, even then you have to accept it. The reason being because 0 is the length of the string and 0 is supposed to be the even number. Is this thing clear to everyone? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I got only one yes. Is this thing clear to everyone? Even
Sir,
nothing should be accepted. Yes.
so in this case, is it an empty string?
Yes, of course. That's what we are talking about. Empty string should also be accepted. If it is an empty string, it should be accepted. Everybody is clear for this?
Yes, sir.
That means what? Now, what is the initial state? Q0. And are you accepting empty things? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So this initial state itself is supposed to be the final state. Everybody is clear for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Kushant is saying, sir, how can we accept null? Why? What is the problem?
No, sir. Now it's clear.
कर सकते हैं भाई, क्या दिक्कत है? ठीक है, so we can accept the null. Now, what next? Now let us say that if you have only one A, if you got one A, will you accept it or reject it?
Temporary rejection.
Rejected.
I will reject it. This rejection should be temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
Temporary.
Temporary. Okay. Now, is the similar thing available for B or not? If you get
Yes.
only one symbol, first symbol is B, and there is only one B, you will accept it or reject it?
Temporary
I
rejection.
reject.
I will reject it. And that rejection should also be temporary. Okay. Fine. That rejection should also be temporary. So initially, whether I have A or I have B, I will reject both the symbols if it is only one symbol. Okay. So what I will write here, I will write one non-final state, because this temporary rejection Since it is temporary, so my state should not have to be a dead state. And it's a rejection, so it has to be a normal non-final state. So I will keep it to the non-final state. Now, some people may have some confusion. What confusion they may have? They might be thinking that, sir, just before you said that it cannot be two symbols simultaneously from one path. Okay, on one path you are not supposed to have two symbols because automata reads it one by one. Yes, I was right. Still, it is not possible to have two symbols together. But still, I'm writing here. So what you have to take care, I'm not writing AB. I'm writing A, comma, B. Does mean what? This means, this AB means A and B both. But this A, comma, B means either A or B. So as a counting of symbols, it is two symbols at a time, which is still not allowed in DFA. But as a counting of symbols, it is one symbol at a time, although there can be choice, either it is A or B, so this is allowed. Still, we are tracing only one symbol at a time.
So,
Yes.
so still we could create another state for both of them separately, na?
Pardon?
Like you said A comma B, but if I want to input only a A string and then suddenly create a B string, so can I do it or not?
Sure. So now try to understand, when you are creating only A string first, then it is your first symbol. Yes or no? It is your first symbol. Then after this, if you are putting B, then B will be treated as second symbol. Do one thing, just wait for 2 more minutes. Let this question to finish, then ask your doubt. Possibly at the end of this question, you will be automatically clear with the concept. Okay. Now I am at Q1. Okay. So if I am at Q1, that means what I already have in my string?
Either A, either B.
Either A or B. One of these two symbols might have come. So I may have A or B. Now after this, suppose one more A is coming. What I will do?
Except.
Accept.
Accept.
Or if one more B is coming, what I will do?
Except.
I will accept it in any of the case. Okay. So I am supposed to accept it. This combination, this overall combination, I am supposed to accept. Now this acceptance is temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
Temporary.
Temporary. Okay. So do I already have, that means my state doesn't have to be a dead state. So do I already have a state which is accepting things temporary? Do I already have it
Q0.
with me? Q0. Yes, there is a state Q0 which is already accepting the things temporary. So I will drop it to Q0. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, first of all, put your roll numbers, put your enrollment numbers into the chat box for attendance. Be fast, along with your section. Don't forget to write TD1 or TD2 you are. It should be along with that section. And after dropping your roll numbers, you can leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. You can
Thank
leave
you,
the
sir.
meeting after dropping your roll numbers. You're most welcome, dear. Everybody has dropped all the enrollment numbers? Yes.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir, I can't sub on the chat book. May you please just check my number?
You can't do what? Acha,
I can't write on the chat book.
okay. So do one thing. Send me your enrollment number and details on the Instagram. Personal, in the personal window. Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
okay, sir.
Write the date also. Date of the attendance. Fine. So that is all for today's class. I hope
Sir.
everybody must have written
Hello.
the enrollment numbers. Yes.
Show me solution once. Okay.
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 Fine. Fine. So I'm ending up this call. Everybody must have written the roll numbers, enrollment numbers. Everybody have put. Fine. So let's get it done. Thank you so much for taking the class.